POM-PM is an open-source tool which is designed to find exploits in some popular databases. The tool is written in Python and makes an automate way for the pentesters and security researchers. POM-PM finds exploits from popular databases like CX Security, Zero-Day, Vulners, National Vulnerability Database and WPS Scan Vulnerability Database. So let's start with demonstration. For testing POM-PM we will be using Kali Linux 2018.4 AMD64 with PuTTY connection. First of all, go to the link you are seeing on the screen. Click on Copy to Clipboard. The tool is easy to install. Type git clone and paste the URL you have copied from GitHub. After cloning, type cd POM-PM. Then for installing dependencies which are required for POM-PM, type python mpip install our requirements.txt. After installing dependencies, type python pom-pem.py. As you can see, POM-PM has started. Now type python pom-pem.py s Android. S is used for assigning any search term. Here we will search for Android vulnerabilities. As you can see, POM-PM has found vulnerabilities in various databases. Now we will open first link of packetstormsecurity.com. It shows Qualcomm Android kernel use after free via incorrect set page. Now if we open another link, it shows that WeChat application suffers denial of service attack. In denial of service attacks, excessive packets are sent to target with invalid addresses, making the server busy for authentication. At that time, when server closes the connection, attacker sends more packets, causing server to make slow. As you all are aware that how denial of service attack causes an serious impact on many Android application. We will search some another queries. Type python pom-pem.py Windows. POM-PM has found various vulnerabilities in Windows. Opening the first link shows Windows Insight IDR Agent Local Privilege Escalation. This vulnerability can be misused by local user to gather full control on the affected system. Now if we check some another link, it shows the Windows NT set cached device guard can be tricked to cache the signature to an arbitrary file, which leads to bypasses the code signing enforcement. You can also check some another results here we have taken in this vulnerability. it shows Windows PowerShell will execute wrong code which can cause attacker to supply by file name. POM-PEM gives us another options to save file in HTML or text form for saving all the results. For that, type pompem.py search Microsoft HTML. Here we will save result in HTML form. As you can see, all the results have been saved in HTML form. Now from here we can directly open the links founded by POM-PEM. As you have seen, POM-PEM is a great tool for finding exploits on any keyword. For checking some more articles related to cybersecurity news, you can visit our website securitynewspaper.com. Here you will find what's happening in cybersecurity world. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for more.